This is a walk around video at Boyer Pickering of a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze in Summit White. This one here is an automatic transmission and the 1LT trim level with a sun and sound package added on, which gives it a premium Pioneer sound system with a 250 watt amplifier and a power sliding tilt sunroof. You're going to be able to start up this Cruze using the remote vehicle start on the key fob. On the inside, this has a jet black interior. On the door here, you can see the speaker there for the premium sound system. You have power windows and side mirrors. This comes with an added-on connectivity package, which gives it a leather-wrapped steering wheel. It has cruise control, voice recognition, and audio. And you can also use the voice recognition here for the Bluetooth for phone. And this will also include a USB port in this armrest. You're going to have single zone air conditioning, a CD player, and there's a free trial for 3 months of SiriusXM Satellite Radio. There's intermittent wipers, and all Chevrolet vehicles are going to come with a free 6 months to OnStar's Directions and Connections plan. This Cruze has 16-inch steel wheels. In the trunk there's 15 cubic feet of cargo space. Compact spare tire. And in the back here, there's a 60-40 split rear bench seat that will allow you to fold these seats down to extend cargo space. You also have latch child seat anchors back here and speakers for the premium sound system. And you also have an auxiliary power outlet on the back of the center console. The turbocharged 4-cylinder Ecotec engine has 138 horsepower, and this turbocharged engine is slightly more fuel efficient than the base engine, getting a highway fuel consumption rating of 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Thank you for watching Boyer Pickering's walk around videos. Come check out more Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, GMC vehicles at 715 Kingston Road.